Welcome to the OneDesk Help Desk demo. OneDesk offers 3 different products: Help Desk, Project Management, and Work Management. Today we'll focus on the Help Desk product, which includes everything you need to manage and organize client or end-user requests and support issues. With OneDesk, you can centralize, manage, and resolve tickets from multiple channels, including email, live chat, web forms, and voice. The platform is available both in the cloud and on-premise, so it's flexible for your business needs. This demo focuses entirely on the Help Desk side of OneDesk, showing how it connects your customers, agents, and organization in one easy-to-use system. In this video, we'll explore how OneDesk helps you manage customer requests, streamline communication, and automate your support operations. Now, let's take a look at the main OneDesk app. This is where your team works on tickets every day. Let's get a quick overview of the interface and navigation. At the top, you'll find the main toolbar, where you can add new tickets, customers, users, and more. Access bulk actions, macros, imports, and other features. Use the global search to easily find anything in your account. Access the Get Started menu for helpful articles and guides. Manage your OneDesk products or purchase additional products for managing tasks or financials. And finally, access your profile menu, where you'll find quick links to your work and settings. On the left side, you'll see the User Apps sidebar. Apps determine what you see and manage in your workspace. For example, the dashboard view gives you an overview of your and your team's work, while the Tickets app is where you'll view and work on tickets in detail. We'll explore these apps more closely later. Aside from the main app your agents use, OneDesk provides multiple channels for customers or end users to submit tickets, access self-service options, and stay updated on progress. These tools, called the customer-facing applications, make it easy for customers to reach your support team. You can easily add them to your website as a widget via snippet or integration. Let's get an overview of the different customer applications. Messenger provides live chat between your customers and agents, letting you respond instantly and keep conversations organized. The built-in AI chatbot assists with customer conversations and ticket handling. The bot is trained on your knowledge-base articles, web pages, saved replies, and previous conversations, ensuring it only uses your company's content. If the bot can't find an answer, your team is notified to take over or follow up. The ticket portal allows customers to log in, view their ticket history, check progress, and communicate directly with your team. The web form makes it easy for anyone to submit a new request or report an issue directly from your website. You can specify required fields to ensure all necessary information is collected. The knowledge base serves as a self-service hub where customers can find answers to common questions, reducing repetitive tickets. With AI integration, customers can ask questions and get accurate summaries. Again, all based solely on your company's content. All these apps can be customized and branded to fit your organization's look and feel, providing a seamless customer experience.
Back to the main app. At the core of OneDesk's Help Desk is the ticket management system. Tickets are created automatically when requests come in from any connected channel. You can connect your company's support email so that incoming messages automatically become tickets. For example, when a customer emails your support address, OneDesk instantly creates a ticket, capturing the subject, message, attachments, and sender information. If the customer doesn't already exist in your system, OneDesk automatically creates a profile for them. You can also manage voice support directly from OneDesk, purchase a new number, or route your existing phone number into the system. You can answer incoming calls, store recordings, and link calls to new or existing tickets. In addition to phone and email, you can create tickets manually within the app or let customers submit them through your web form or live chat. No matter how a customer contacts you, every interaction is captured, tracked, and managed in one place. Open a ticket from the grid to view its details. Every ticket includes the full conversation history, along with who it's from, what it's about, and what stage it's in. From here, your support team can reply directly to the customer, add internal notes, and track progress from start to resolution. All customer replies, whether via email, chat, or the portal, are automatically added to the same ticket, so your team never loses context. Your team can quickly respond using saved replies and easily link articles or web forms to provide more information. You can simplify this workflow even further by using the AI assistant to recommend or generate replies automatically. As you send responses, automations update the ticket status so you always know where it stands. When a request is resolved, the ticket can be closed. And if the customer replies again, it reopens automatically, ensuring nothing is missed. Automations can also assign tickets to the right agents or teams, send acknowledgement emails, apply tags, and update statuses. This combination of AI and automation saves time, improves response rates, and ensures consistent service. You can also create internal conversations on a ticket for agent-only discussions. Internal messages remain private to your team, allowing collaboration behind the scenes without confusing the customer. You can tag teammates using @mentions or link other items using the hash symbol. Your team can also track time on tickets, start a timer while working, or manually log time via timesheets. Timesheets can help track productivity, measure workload, or even bill clients. Within the Tickets app, tickets can be categorized by type, priority, or source, and organized into folders and views that match your workflow. You can create filtered views for open tickets, overdue requests, pending responses, or tickets from a specific customer. Each view is fully customizable, allowing every agent or manager to see what matters most to them. The Messenger app is the central place for all conversations, including live chats, emails, portal messages, and internal team discussions. You can see any ticket linked to a conversation and navigate directly to its details. When a live chat starts, it isn't automatically linked to a ticket, allowing you to quickly assist the customer. If needed, you can convert that chat into a ticket. Conversations can then continue seamlessly via email or through the portal.
The Knowledge Center app houses your knowledge base articles, categories, and saved replies. To create a knowledge base article, go to the Add menu. The article name is the title, and the description is your content. You can embed videos or attach files. Once ready, publish it and assign it to a category. Categories form the structure your customers use to browse and navigate your knowledge base. In the last tab, you can create and manage your saved replies, which can include dynamic properties that automatically fill in context-specific details. The Analytics app provides a full overview of your team's performance and customer activity. You can track response times, ticket volumes, and resolution trends to identify areas for improvement. Create custom reports using ticket or timesheet data, and filter or schedule dashboards to be sent automatically, keeping your management team informed at all times. OneDesk's administration area gives you complete control over how your help desk operates. Here you can configure your company preferences such as working hours, language, and theme colors. Connect multiple support emails to capture incoming tickets, and configure your outgoing email branding. You can also customize your entire help desk workflow. Create custom fields to capture unique information. Set up automations to update tickets, assign them, or notify agents and customers. Customize ticket types and statuses. Integrate with your existing tools using built-in integrations, Zapier, or the OneDesk API. Brand your customer-facing apps, Messenger, Portal, and web forms. By bringing all your customer communication into one place, OneDesk makes it easier than ever to deliver fast, professional, and consistent support. Capture and organize all requests from email, chat, web forms, and phone. Keep full communication history in one place. Automate repetitive actions and routing. Improve response times and customer satisfaction. Provide self-service through a branded portal and knowledge base. OneDesk brings together everything your support team needs. Thanks for watching this OneDesk Help Desk demo. To learn more or start your free trial, visit onedesk.com.